been almost a month, and I still feel my heart beating. Every morning feels calm, but nights break me. My mind says move on, my heart holds on. I think of you, I know you feel me too. The sun sets, thoughts rise. I go out with friends, still searching for you. Even when I know you're far from here, I just want you to be okay, to be happy. Because I love you, still love you.
Maybe one day, another world, maybe we meet again. Maybe in dreams, maybe in reality. Still love you, still love you.
I want to cross the ocean for you.